Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now let us get into the causes and risk factors for female hair fall, especially on the scalp. As you can see, the first and foremost thing is genetics. If your mother or your father or your grandmother or your grandparents are suffering from severe sort of hair fall, then you can also experience this hair fall. But there are certain things that you can do, if you're having a genetic history, that is taking good diet and also lifestyle improvement can delay this process. Next thing, hormonal changes. So what sort of hormonal changes will cause this female scalp hair fall? First and foremost, if you're getting pregnant, then that can cause hormonal fluctuation leading into hair fall. Second thing, what will happen is during lactation, many women have hair fall issue, especially during the lactation phase. So if you are lactating women, then you will be having this hair fall, but there will be regain, that is the hair follicles will start again to grow after the lactation period if you are taking proper diet as well as medication. Next, coming to the hormonal changes, we have the main problem, especially in the teenagers, in the working women sector, that is PCOD. If you are suffering from PCOS or PCOD, you will be having hyperandrogenism, that is a little bit more amount of testosterone and also a little bit of more amount of estrogen, which can cause hair fall and also unwanted hair growth on the body parts, whereas there is hair fall on the scalp. Okay, that is also a problem with the hormonal issues, especially. And other thing that people are suffering, if they are not suffering from PCOS, pregnancy or lactation, is the thyroid issue. Any fluctuation in the thyroid gland functioning, that is, it can be hyperthyroidism or it can be hypothyroidism, can lead into hair fall issues. Next is the medical condition. So what sort of medical conditions will lead into the hair fall issue? See, the primary medical condition that will lead into the hair fall issue is iron deficiency anemia or folate deficiency, zinc deficiency, selenium deficiency, or if you are having megaloblastic anemia, that is vitamin B12 deficiency. All of these deficiencies along with vitamin D deficiency. So vitamin D deficiency is also very important. If you are not getting enough of sun exposure, that can lead into vitamin D deficiency, which can lead into hair fall. All of these other deficiencies, as I told you, can also lead into the hair fall. What are the other medical conditions? The other medical conditions like fatty liver. If you are experiencing grade 2 or grade 3 fatty liver, that can also cause hair fall. If you are experiencing obesity with hypertension, that can also lead into hair fall. If you are experiencing diabetes, that can also lead into hair fall. So please do check if you have any of these issues. Next, medications. Medication especially which is related to the arthritis, that is the joint medications. If you are taking a lot of painkillers or if you're taking a lot of medication for your pain, especially the arthritis condition, those medications have a tendency to cause hair fall. And also if you're taking medications for your hypertension, that is BP, that can also cause hair fall. Okay, and also if you're taking hormonal pills for PCOS or for PCOD or for any other female reproductive system disorders, that can also cause hair fall in a larger sector of people. Other causes, the main one, the primary one that you have to remember is stress. Stress is the main cause for hormonal fluctuation, and from the hormonal fluctuation you will be having hair fall. So if you are experiencing hair fall, you will again start to stress out. That is like a cycle. So if you are maintaining stress continuously, if you are having stress continuously and you are not doing anything to let go of that stress, it will cause hair fall. So make sure that you do not have stress. And also people who are experiencing acute illness, like if you are experiencing dengue or after malaria or after any sort of typhoid or COVID-19 symptoms or any flu symptoms, if they have sudden hair fall, then that is also coming under these other causes, which is called as telogen effluvium. We will discuss about this in detail in the next video. If you are experiencing hair fall, women especially on the scalp region, and you are having some hormonal issues or any other issues, then if you want to contact us, you can do it through two processes. One is the online consultation. You can contact us through audio and video consultation. And if you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. After the doctor consultation, if you are having any sort of investigations, you can share it with us. If you need any more investigations, we will ask you to do it and share it with us. After all of this process, especially the online clients, we will be sending your medications to your doorstep. If you are staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you are staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. and across the globe anywhere it can take 4 to 8 business days. If you are experiencing hair fall and you would like to take a doctor consultation, you can call us through this number, ping us or WhatsApp us or messages on this number. And if you'd like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check out our website www.fidicus.com. If you are experiencing hair fall and if you want to choose a certain cure for your hair fall, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Remember, Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we have three principles. First is we are dealing with patients with good success rate who are experiencing hair fall because of hormonal issues or because of allopathic medication side effects. Second thing, the transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be explaining it to you, the process, the prognosis and everything. And also the personal care. If you're having any sort of myths or if you're having any sort of, queries regarding your hair fall, we will be educating you on that as well. So the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. If you want to choose cure for your hair fall or if you want to decrease your hair fall, try choosing Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.